partner brought me one of these, one of them pens, Limpy. He brought me one of them pens, so that was nasty. That bitch tastes like beer. I don't even drink beer. Okay, they got it running a little bit better now. I can't beat it. Yeah, nah, I don't want this no more, man. Shit nasty in the motherfucker, man. I don't like that pen he got, man.
It tastes kind of weird.
It tastes like beer, fool.
Yeah.
Like beer. I don't want no damn beer.
I was saying it's like a mango, but it tastes like an IPA. You're right, like a beer taste.
Yeah, I don't want no beer, man. What's up with it, man? Yes, sir. Okay. Oh shit, he got a oh man, no. So you get more dangerous and dangerous.
No, not
need
so
all of oh, okay.
No, just so I wanna like
see what that power regular feel like.
A little bit, not any hits or anything.
Oh, okay, just
hitting the brakes. What it feel like when I hit the brakes?
Okay.
In case something happens, I want to know what I'm working with in case I fuck up.
Yeah.
So I feel comfortable in the car.
Yeah.
Just around the block even.
Okay.
I'm not even trying to make any hits on the road.
Bet. We can do that. We can do that.
On like a Friday.
What the fuck happened? Okay. Look out.
When I can come over, you can tell me about shit. Like,
yeah.
help me get it. Like,
we can do it in the AC. We can do it in the AC and just ride around, go to the store or something.
Yeah.
Pick up something.
I want to make a video though.
All right, we can make a video too. That'll be a good video.
But I want to call out that Detroit dude for some money in your car.
He already done swapped motors. He done swapped motors.
He swaps motors every week.
That's why you ain't seen it no more.
I see it every week. He always says he's got a big block in there.
Nah, this time he dealing with some different people.
Told me he said 18,000. He said he was out 18,000 on this motor.
Boy, he's spending a lot.
Snapshot, big cheap rig with a refill. Walks back to top here for a big cheap.
Right lane for the win. Let's go see what we working with back here. I see a 4-cylinder. Hey! I see it. Look out. Oh, I got them cars now. I forgot. All my people that's watching on, we got Lovely over here on TikTok. Lovely, you on my YouTube channel, Look At Racing. Car Show Kilo, you on my YouTube? Small block. Okay. Look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel right here. I done went and got the cars for you now. Y'all all the way locked in now. Oh, this is my boy too, y'all. Sígame a mi canal. 2 times. Okay, he holding up the phone. know my car. Oh, boy, seeing running just made me feel like my car was in the way, and I done already put my car up, y'all. I still thought I was in the goddamn way. Move your car, dude. That's the reason that I'm walking up here, man. Because your freaking car is in the line. I didn't know who you were putting him up. I got a bunch of Indians. Hey man, I got better honey. Look out.
I might have to miss my wife to put nitrous on our minivan.
Okay, we can put.
Before it goes boom.
Yeah, we'll juice that minivan. I think Toyota like nitrous.
That's what I'm saying. They got a
Yeah, we can put a Honda
motor in
shot.
that car. We can go find
I already had nitrous on the V6. Yeah, Honda shot. Yeah, anything can take 100 more horsepower. You need an engine diaper. It's leaking.
It's leaking.
Man, just put some stop leaking there.
Okay.
Lucas on the transmission fluid. You do that anyway. Okay. Whenever you buy a car for the first time,
Yeah.
you put that Lucas in that bitch anyway. You buy you a bottle of transmission fluid Lucas, have that shit in there, and then you get your oil change. You throw a bottle of Lucas in there.
Okay.
I'm trying to tell you, that Lucas.
I should have plugged my ears on that one. Goddamn.
Yeah.
That was loud.
Before we run it, we're gonna put that Lucas in there.
Okay.
Put you about 100 shot, dry nitrous on that thing.
So we're
You
change
gonna see
the oil. All
something.
the fluids get changed before we do this.
Well, I mean, shit, we
What
could
else
just
can I
go.
do to make sure that
just
we don't blow this?
We could just put Lucas in whatever you got now. Just Lucas that shit up.
JB weld
Lucas
something.
that
We
shit
need-
up. If you got a crack on some aluminum or some metal, yeah, we'll JB weld it. But we just gonna Lucas you down
What my goal
and
is-
spray it down.